Hi guys, my name is Alim and I'm 5 years old. We're gonna draw a cute dinosaur. Now we take the black first. Open it. I love dinosaurs like this alive. Like this alive. Slowly. Then a half circle. Like this. And then another half circle under. And then a line. Teeth. Gonna be triangles like this, and then her eye, just one, then her 3 triangles on her back, and then make her stomach like this half circle, and then we close the black, put it back, then paint the dinosaur green like this. Now we take red, paint that triangles. Now we make the cheeks. Now make her crown like this. Like this, we can put yellow and circles. See? Now we are done now. Follow Pinky Winky to see all my videos. Goodbye!